Colouring is such a popular service, and a lot of consumer wants to change their colour quite regularly. But what we often see in salons or in the salon is that clients have very extremely damaged or highly sensitized hair. And we always start with a consultation and we would assess the hair. So for us it's really important to be able to offer a sort of a journey or solution to all of those clients. So the SOS Extreme Recovery Treatment is a fantastic treatment and a tool for us to use in the salon to be able to treat a client's hair, but also to be able to offer them a colour service or a journey rather than saying no and that they can't have a colour service done. With the Copyright range today, it's so fantastic for us hairdressers because we can really treat the hair as well as offering a colouring service, and we do that through offering a journey plan. With a lot of clients that have highly sensitized hair or over-bleached hair, what we tend to do is to get them in for a treatment service first before we actually carry out the colour service. With the SOS Extreme Recovery Treatment, we tend to do that as a standalone treatment for all of our clients that wants to go lighter, so all over bleachers, highlights, or if they want more of a fashion shade. But it's often used before a slightly bigger colour service, especially on highly sensitized hair. It's a fantastic treatment to use on its own, together with the repair range. When the SOS Extreme Recovery Treatment is used with a split-end repair cream, it creates a perfect bond building service for the hair. So we often get clients in the salon with highly sensitized hair, so over-processed hair from colour. And most of those clients want to maintain their length. They don't want to go through a haircut, or they don't want to cut the ends off. And in those situations, we have two fantastic products to use to create a real bonding and repair solution to the hair. We actually use the SOS Extreme Recovery Treatment, which is a back bar treatment full of protein and keratin, and we mix it with a product from the styling range, which is the split end repair cream.